Hi guys, and welcome to TonyaLTV. Today on the menu, I will be making jerk pulled chicken sandwiches with a mango slaw on a croissant, honey. Alrighty, I am going to get my seasonings kind of mixed up, and we're going to keep it pushing, honey. Pay attention. It's gonna go fast. Here I have 3 teaspoons of allspice, and I'm going to stick it right on in here. I have a couple teaspoons of black pepper that I grinded the black pepper in my peppercorn grinder. Okay, here I have a teaspoon of cinnamon, a couple teaspoons of ground nutmeg, and I'm going to stick it right here. I have a couple bay leaves crumbled. Alright, what I'm going to do here is kind of mix everything up really good. And we'll get ready for the paste. Alright guys, we are getting ready to make that paste. Let's get to it. Alright guys, I am going to begin with my habanero chilies. Now they have been steamed and I took the seeds out of them. You're going to need a few of those. And then I'm going to put my onions right on in here. Next, I'm going to put a few garlic cloves in. Sorry, you guys. And then I'm going to add a little bit of ginger. All right, next, I'm going to put my thyme and also my brown sugar. Add that right on in. I didn't have rum, so I used my bourbon, honey. And we're gonna pour that right on in as well. Now in this special bowl right here, I have lemon juice, orange juice, white vinegar, and olive oil. And I'm just gonna pour it straight on in here, and we're getting ready to make this a paste. And get our chicken marinated. Alright guys, I am going to put this over my chicken, set it in the fridge, and let it sit all night long. In the AM, very early, which I probably will not record, I am going to put my chicken inside of my crock pot, honey, and cook it slow all day while I'm not here. When I get home, I will put it together and get to the goodness. Okay, so I figured I would let you guys see me go ahead and pour this over my chicken and let that marinate. It smells amazing. All these awesome spices in here, guys. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait. In the fridge they go. Get ready to cut up these croissants. And I have my cast iron already heated up, and I'm just going to round them on the opposite side to kind of make them sturdy for this pulled jerk chicken. Now we are going to work on our sauce. Okay, so in this bowl, I have honey mango, a clove of garlic, ginger paste, honey. I'm going to pour this right on in my food processor. And we're going to add a little bit of this lime to it as well. So we're going to roll this out. You know how we have to do, honey. Roll it, roll it. Alright, I got it nice and soft, and we're going to cut probably about right there. But this is just going to go over the top of our jerk chicken, honey. So I'm going to squeeze that juice right on in here. and next I'm going to just sprinkle some of my onion powder right on in here. And mix it up. Oops. Now mix it up. Cool. You guys, when I got in this house, it smelled so super delicious. I could not help myself. Honey, I came right in here and started shredding my chicken, so you guys didn't get an opportunity to see me do that. It just smells so good. Honey, I forgot completely about the video, okay? But I took 2 forks, and I'll show you exactly what I did. Took 2 forks, and I just separated the meat like that. It just came apart effortlessly. All right, guys, now I'm getting ready to start building these lovely croissants. Let's get started, honey. I'm so ready to eat. You guys have no clue, no idea. It is that time. This meat is absolutely scrumptious. I made a mango sauce to go right over it. And it's just like that. And you have this beautiful, lovely dish. Just as simple as that. And we'll make another one. This is an easy meal, honey. All you have to do is get your seasonings together, do that, let it sit overnight. If you have a slow cooker, crock pot, throw it in there, honey, on your way to work. When you come home, it's ready to shred, and you can just go ahead and put this delicious, scrumptious, beautiful, delectable, honey, food together and have such a great meal for yourself, for your family, or whoever you're entertaining, honey. Okay, guys, so you know what time it is. It's time for you to subscribe if you haven't already. Hello. Okay, give me that thumbs up. No, really. It is time for my taste test. This is my favorite part of the video. All right, let me get one of these scrumptious, jerk, cool chicken sandwiches with a mango sauce in it. Let's go. Okay, guys, you already know. This is so delicious. You have to try it. Yes, look. Remember to live, love, laugh,